Hi, it is 7:58 a.m. I woke up at 4, wide awake. For what reason, I don't know. But I didn't get out of bed. I stayed in bed and then I fell asleep. Oh, it's the third day of Vlogmas, by the way. I fell asleep and what happened? And then my back started to hurt me. I woke up again, put on my back brace. Then I got up. I woke up. I think I fell asleep again for a little bit. It gave me a little bit of relief, the back brace. So I went back to sleep. Then I woke up, and then at that point I just had to get up. I sat up in bed and did some stretches, and then my back. Story time. One thing you wouldn't know about me. I have scoliosis and I also have an extra bone, extra vertebrae, extra something that's not so you know everybody have a specific amount of vertebra. Do you know what is the plural or the singular form of either one of those things? So yeah, everybody's supposed to have a specific amount, a set amount. I have one like an extra one. So anytime I sit down or lay down for too long, I tend to have backaches because it is fused to the one above it, I believe, and so it's easy to pressure and so something. Anyway, moral of the story is I'm an alien, and that's why I may have frequent back pain. Alright, moving right along. What was I saying? I was telling you how my morning has been going up to this point. So the birds are saying hello. So it is now 8 a.m. I got up probably a little bit after 6. The kids are up. They're getting ready to start their lessons. And I'm sitting at my laptop. I'm working on some web content for a neurology website, and this particular piece is about myoclonic epilepsy. Okay. Yeah, so we're done 47 minutes out of this. The kids are up, then they're reading their devotional now and spreading the bed. And then Eden is not a breakfast person like me, so he had tea and he had an orange. Antonio is going to have his breakfast. Me not have nothing yet, not even drink my water. I'm going to drink my water and take my probiotic and then see how I feel. I'm not really in the mood for eat anything right now. So I'm just gonna be my probiotic and my water until the spirit lead me to go eat something. I do plan on going on the road, but my mom is not here, so I'm gonna wait on her to come so that kids have an adult in the house with them. So just when I'm gonna go ahead with my writing and see how the day goes. Let's see how the day goes. I didn't do any planning for this week. Yeah, I didn't do any planning for this week. I started and then I never got back to sitting down and writing out the plan. So I kind of played by ear this week. Not really. I'm gonna sit down and plan because I know I have different things to do. I have a couple things to do. So alright, enough rambling. Oh, I wanted to say why I just started recording at 8 a.m. because my day one vlog I started uploading from yesterday or the same night that I filmed it, and for some reason I upload, but I just left it on a synthetic upload. So this morning now I say, oh, I need to go and upload the thumbnail, because I would normally leave it to upload and then later on me go in and add the thumbnail and the cards and whatever else. And so I said, oh, I need to go and do that. When I go and look, it has a processing. When I opened it on my laptop, it's saying 95% uploaded and it has say 40 minutes remaining. So I left it. I leave it for a while. When I come back, it still has 40 minutes remaining. So I said, okay, this not gonna work. So I have to be re-uploading the video. So I said, since I'm gonna be doing that, I'm just gonna be chill and at least wait until I upload that one so I can delete it. Not that I have any storage issues right now, because it's not telling me. If I was running low on storage, it would be telling me like, no, it would tell me the time. So the time would be running and it have a slash, and then it would have the time, like it would have said 30 minutes. So I know that I can only record for 30 minutes before it's full, but I'm not seeing anything there now. So I don't have any space issues, but since I'm gonna be recording every day, I wanted to just upload them and get them out of the way. Alright, me done chat now. For now. It is now 9:25. Yeah, 9:25. I'm not feeling for no coffee. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I came in here to make coffee and like pour water into the brewer, and I was going to get the actual coffee grounds, and I was like, so anyway, I'm having Horlicks. I'm having the kids Horlicks. I don't know what is Horlicks. And while I'm in here and waiting for the kettle to boil up, I decided I'm going to put some rice and quinoa. I mix my rice and quinoa so that the quinoa lasts longer, and also so the kids will eat it, because I'm going to let them do want to eat it. And I have it, let me just do it. I'm going to put one of them here in here. So see it there. I need to just put some water in there and then set it to cook. You see me cook turkey neck yesterday. So this is actually, well, I have some quinoa in the fridge. So this is actually for just so that I don't have to cook again for the next couple days. It's just 1 cup. So it's half cup of each. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to cook probably until Thursday again. Yeah. So my kettle has finished boiling. I'm gonna go make my Horlicks and put on my rice and then go back to work on my laptop. So, it is, I have no idea what time it is. Hold on, let me tell you. Alexa, what time is it? Okay, I just showered and what's my hair? I'm moving up and down, so if I plug in the mic and pin it on me, it's just going to catch all of the audio from my movements, so I'm not doing that. But anyhow, it is 5:23 and I just showered and I'm going out. I'm going to do adult things. Yes. Anyhow, before I go to bed, I did my budget. And can I tell you? Watch me put on underarm deodorant. My budget shot like I'm under by $200 and something, and this is before any fun money. Yeah, you heard right. This is before any fun money. What may I do with my money? It's like all the fun things that I talked about that's gonna be happening in December. Yeah. So girls trip coming up, so doing the most for that. And then I'm supposed to get the host to buying things. Damn. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So, well, the stuff, well, I of course set a budget for what I'm going to buy for this month, and I bought those things. So now when they come, I have to pay for shipping. So there's that. So it is what it is. I guess my nails not do this month. And you know, so typically that's how it always goes, like on my birth month, typically. I remember last year it did go like that, like when I got my nails then. I like to see my nails when they're done up, but hey, it's not the end of the world. So I just work with. I'm gonna buy a lot of win so. But it is what it is. The bills are going to be paid. So that's the most important thing, right? Yeah. And it's not like I'm not going to be doing anything fun all month, so I'm going to be depressed. I'm gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff, so I'm not gonna be depressed. This is all the lazy comb here. I actually not doing any combing whatsoever. I'm gonna put in background music. Hopefully that will drown out the audio from when the kids are working upstairs. I hope this don't burst, 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 don't burst. Alright. It never burst. Praise the Lord. The telltale are ear no comb. What did I used to do? You realize the time of the year? Listen, ear no need for comb. Suppose we used to me on my line. I'm gonna drive off Sharon. Alright. That's it. I'm wearing a t-shirt. If you haven't realized by now, I am the queen of t-shirts. Self-proclaimed t-shirt queen. But I'm wearing a t-shirt and tights. That's all. Tights. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog here. Or maybe, yeah, because by the time I go on the road, it's gonna be dark. So I can't even show you the rooster. Okay, I'll show you a little driving footage, but yeah, I'm gonna close the vlog here. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and you will see me in the next one. Bye.